So ito na, yung inabangan nyo. So we have our pet care insurance. So ito yung medyo baby sa aming mga products kasi isa yung medyo bago. So we can now insure, we started with insuring dogs. Ngayon po, pwede na rin ang mga cats. So, ayan, pwede po. Ayan. So we have a package, no, for pet owners and their beloved fur babies. So kahit wala pong papers, no, basta pet, basta dog siya or cat siya, puspin, aspin, pwede. Okay, so the product features would be medical reimbursement, no, for the pets. Owner's liability, ayan na naman si liability, di ba? And owner's personal accident insurance. Yung ating pet care product po is very short and sweet. Simple lang po siya. Yun. So for the medical reimbursement, no, we will reimburse the owner for medical expenses incurred to treat or diagnose the insured pet as a result of a covered illness due to accident up to 100,000. Mamaya makikita nyo po, meron tayong dalawang plans na magkaiba ang limit. So depende po sa budget ng ating pet owner. And pag nakita nyo po ito, yan, medical expenses, hindi po lahat or kahit anong sakit ay covered po ha. Meron tayong, we have a list of excluded illnesses. Normally, ano ba yung ine-exclude? Yung mga behavioral related sicknesses like distemper, yung parvo, any sickness na merong kaakibat na vaccine. Dapat may, yung, di ba, for example, yung sickness na yun, may vaccine dapat yon. No? So, excluded yon. Mga parasites are also excluded. So we will be providing you a list of those excluded illnesses para at least aware kayo kung ano yung mga kasama at hindi. Cruciate ligament injury, so this is per leg po, 10,000 per leg. Ano po itong cruciate ligament injury? Yung paa po kasi or yung leg ng dog, may yung sa joint niya, pwedeng madamage siya no? Because of jumping, because of extensive running. So kapag na-damage po yun, pwede niyang i-reimburse dito sa cruciate ligament injury. And then, burial assistance, kapag kinailangan po na i-euthanasia, no, yung ating baby because of a certain sickness or an accident, no? Meron tayong additional burial assistance na ibibigay. But please take note, ito po ay mag-a-apply lamang kung euthanasia ang cause of death. Other than that, hindi po magre-respond yung ating burial assistance. Okay? So sa medical reimbursement po, ang anong pwede i-claim? Laboratory test, x-ray, surgery, ayan, mga hospitalization and medication as prescribed by the vet, extraction of permanent broken teeth due to an accident. And again, yung na-mention ko, burial assistance kapag siya ay kinailangan na euthanasia to end his suffering, and yung professional fee and charges ng veterinarian. So hindi po biro kung kayo po ay may pet, I've seen sa mga claims, no, hindi pala biro mag-alaga ng aso or ng pusa kasi para rin siya talagang tao. Because again, another recent claim that we had, 70,000 inoperahan yung aso. Sabi ko, ganun pala kamahal mag-alaga ng aso. No? Inoperahan siya due to a certain tumor, tinanggal. So, umabot na siya ng 70,000. Medyo may edad na rin kasi yung aso. It's more than 5 years old. And then after that, nagkaroon naman siya ng something sa mata, which is roughly around ganun din, mga 50,000 rin ang cost. So, napakamahal pala mag-maintain din no, ng aso at ng pusa. Yes, ma'am.
halimbawa cesarean yung
Mm.
doggy, hindi niya na
Oh.
kayang ilakbas dahil sobrang madami yung baby or
Mm.
malaki yung baby.
Exclusion, kasama po sa exclusion run, ma'am, yung giving birth ng pet. Any birth-related claims, hindi po siya covered. So here, we also have owner's liability. So ganun po, ano pag liability, ano po yung cover? Third party, ano po yung dalawang benefit? Yon, third party bodily injury and property damage. So the limit is up to 100,000. So normally pag nangagat yung aso or nanira, no, yun yung aso ng property ng third party, hindi kotse niya, hindi own ng policy holder.
Yung 100,000 na yan, halimbawa, everyday nangangagat yung aso nila. 100, 100, 100.
Ito yung claims natin. Magdududa na po kung palaging may claim, ako question mark ng ano yon, ng claims examiner natin. Annual po. Annual. For the whole year po. Mamaya papakita ko po yung table. Yan. Pag madalas po yung claim, magiging questionable po, no, sa ating underwriter at sa ating claims examiner kung bakit napakadalas mag-claim. Ayan. And we also provide, no, under this package yung personal accident insurance of the pet owner o up to 50,000. Please take note na ito po ay accidental death cover only. Wala pong accident medical reimbursement. So, ADD lang po siya. Yan. So, magkano? Ito po. So, we have two plans, no? Depende kung magkanong budget ng ating client. So, we have Plan A at 2,825 pesos. Ano po yung difference ng Plan A and Plan B? So, regular is at 50,000 ang medical reimbursement per occurrence. So when we say per occurrence, it's per event. And sa Plan B naman po, it's 25,000. For the whole year, when you say aggregate, it's for the whole year, or for 12 months, or for the entire policy period. Ang maximum limit niya ay 100,000 for Plan A and 50,000 for Plan B. The rest po, it's the same na. So, yung cruciate ligament injury, bawat leg po. So, kung dalawang leg ang na-damage, that's 10,000 times 2, which is 20,000. Kung isang leg lang naman po, 10,000 lang. And then, pareho lang po sa both plans, yung burial assistance benefit. Owner's liability for Plan A is bigger, 100,000. Per Plan B naman is 50. Sa PA, ganun din po, 50,000 per personal accident ng pet owner or ng policyholder, 25,000 for Plan B. Okay? So, ang policy po natin ay annual, renewable every year. So, that's 2,825 for Plan A and 1,815 for Plan B. Again, divide nyo sa 365, murang-mura po siya for the protection of your pet. Ayan, good question. Ganda ng tanong ni ma'am. Paano daw, para sa ating mga Zoom viewers, no? Paano daw madedetermine ang age ng pet kung walang papers, kung ASPIN or POSPIN? Kailangan lang po mag-submit ng vet certificate. So, if isa-certify po ng vet, kasi nalalaman po daw po yan sa teeth, no? So, kailangan lang ng certification from the veterinarian. So, that's an additional requirement para ma-determine natin yung age eligibility ng pet. So, ang acceptable age po is 6 months to 8 years old. So, dapat po yung vaccination ng mga dogs should be on time and cats should be on time, no, based on sa prescribed schedule ng PAHA or Philippine Animal Hospital Association. Kasi may parang bata po, di ba? Ang bata, pag gantong certain number of months, ito na dapat yung na-administer na vaccination. Pag gantong age, dapat ito na yung na-administer sa kanya. So, ganun din po sa ating pet. So, this information, we can see this through the Pet Baby Book. Okay. Yan, exclusion. Ano ba yung mga hindi pwede i-cover? So, of course, stunt dogs kasi higher risk po itong mga to. No? Dogs for police or military, dogs raised and used for fighting, dogs raised and used for sports. Ganun din po yung mga breeders. It's also an exclusion. Yan. Hindi po, excluded po ang breeders. Yan. So, what are the requirements for application? Duly accomplished form. Yan, photo of the pet. Ayan, yung pet baby book, no? Or yung vet record niya. In case na walang papers yung dog at hindi ma-determine yung age, vet certificate of the insured pet health or pedigree certificate if available. Oh. Question, paano kung may pre-existing condition yung aso? Pwede ba i-insure? Pwede pa rin po. But we will exclude that illness or yung sickness that would be related or connected to that pre-existing illness. So, pwede pa rin. Opo, ide-declare lang po. Okay, yun. Diba? Very short and sweet ang ating pet care insurance. Any questions?
Is it really essential? Get a certificate from the veterinarian.
Veterinarian, yes, ma'am. If there's no pet baby book, kasi that's the only way we can determine the age of the pet.
I got. They're all complete. Yeah.
And that will do, ma'am. If you have a pet baby book, then there's no need for the pet certificate,
Okay.
the vet certificate.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Kaya-
Question.
Ay, sige. Yes, sir.
Ako yun.
Ay, okay, sige. Ma'am Sam.
Are you going to develop a plan for mga dog clinics?
Plan for dog clinics. Can you expand further, ma'am?
Kasi meron nagtatanong sa akin na nag-put up siya ng yung mga grooming or parang hospital clinic ng dogs. So halimbawa may mga vet siya na nakagat or na-aksidente yung dog within their premises. Meron bang ganong klaseng insurance?
O parang ano kasi yan, ma'am, kung sa tao, parang medical sort of, parang form of medical malpractice. We do not have that yet, ma'am. We only have medical malpractice for yung sa mga tao, no, for doctors ng humans. So that product we have, pero for vets, for practicing veterinarians, we don't have that yet. But
Actually,
that's a good
hindi siya malpractice. Kung yung mga vets nila, dahil lumahawak nga sila ng mga aso ng iba,
kinagatan.
tapos sila yung nakagat, oo.
Wala pa
Okay.
kung ganun over, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay.
Ibang
Yes,
ano
yes.
yun, ma'am.
So,
Opo.
parang dapat yung may-ari ng aso, yun ang kumuha. Kaya lang kung
Kaya
hindi
lang-
lahat ng may-ari ng aso merong ganitong product, pagka nakagat yung vet, parang wala pang ganung product. Tama ba, Ma'am Lisa?
Wala pa po. Kasi
Okay.
exposed sila.
So I guess ang mandate sa atin, pagka may kakilala kang vet clinic, maglagay ka na ng tarpaulin mo doon.
Exactly.
Tapos sa'yo na ikaw mag-supply nung kasi pwede nating sabihin na ma'am, pagka nakagat yung yung tao nyo, 'di ba? O at least merong ma-reimburse galing doon sa owner.
Tama yung sinabi ni Sir Mars. You can partner with vet clinics, grooming centers, no? Pwede, if you need brochures, we can provide you with brochures na pwede nyo ilagay doon. Tapos, the vet clinics can coordinate with you and you naman in turn can coordinate with Provide to process the applications.
Ayan, meron dito. Okay. Kung may pet insurance yung owner ng dogs, makaka-claim ba yun if ever makakagat ng vet? O, nakakagat ng vet, ibig sabihin, may pet insurance yung owner ng dog, papasok siya as yung liability.
Insurance.
Ayan, no, sinagot na rin. Kasi third party lalabas si vet, di ba? Yes, tama, Raymond. Okay, yes, we need some resources like brochure. So, promise naman kanina ni Ma'am Liza, isi-send sa atin yung mga brochures, hindi lang nung mga na-discuss ngayon, but all the products na din, no?
We have a lot of products po other than this. So hopefully, we can conduct another session to discuss or to talk about more products that you can offer to your clients. Ang ano naman po, ang mga application forms and requirements can be sent in soft copy. In-accept po namin soft copy lang.
Well,
It is very crucial to me. What if my pup or my child, I call it, they're all my children anyway. Okay, what if my pup gets sick and where will I go, or any affiliated clinic?
We don't have
Whatever.
accredited clinics, ma'am. You can go to any preferred clinic of your choice na mayroong licensed veterinarian, and then you can just file the documents to us so that we can process the claim. So the official receipts, the the veterinarian's diagnosis. So you can bring your pet to your preferred veterinarian clinic.
And you can reimburse all
We
my
will,
expenses then?
if the claim is not included in the list of excluded illnesses.
Okay.
Yan. Yes, we will send together with the brochure and the application form. We'll be providing you a list of excluded illnesses. So normally yun nga yung mga parasite related, mga distemper.
Excluded. That's excluded. That's the main issue, the parasites and the blood test,
Exclusion po, ang parasite.
exclusion.
Any parasite related illness. Ayun.
So what are those inclusions then?
Like our recent case po, the dog had a tumor sa stomach.
Major?
Tumor.
O mga major surgeries?
So the cost reached at around 70,000. Tapos another claim, same dog sa eye naman. I just can't recall kung anong hindi cataract, sir. Basta there was something sa eye niya because the dog is already 7 years old. So medyo na yung mga I'll have to check sa list. Medyo marami kasi yung Papadala ko po sa inyo yung listahan niyo. Pero marami po. There are several incidents that can be claimed. So don't ever think na pag nakita nyo kasi medyo marahaba yung list. But meron po. Kasi we received a good number of claims din. No? Na yung mga medical reimbursement claims. So ibig sabihin meron po. Opo, yung diagnosis ng vet ang basis natin.
Yung sa age pa rin, once the pet reaches 8, bawa, covered siya 6, from first year to
From
7,
6 months.
naka 8 years old na siya, hindi siya covered pagdating ng 9. O, dahil covered na siya dati, covered, continuous.
After the 8th year po, we will be sending a non-renewal notice. Opo.
Basta
Opo.
ma-reach niya yung
ma-reach
termination
pa.
age niya. Oo. So yun yung better to have pa rin yung kasi yung for example, yung Ericli, ayan. Kasi yan po parang dengue nga po yan sa aso. Pwede po yung ibang portion po doon or non-related po doon sa ibang exclusion, pwede pong ma-cover yun. Same with na naman po yan benefits ng Lahat din po yan nasa insurance din naman natin, guidelines, no. And also yung, for example, yung nagkaroon ng tumor nga, hindi natin alam. Kasi ako, yung aso ko talagang malaki na yung gastos ko sa kanya. Biglang may lumaking sa kanya, bukol. Yun, pwede din siyang makover kasi hindi naman siya related dun sa mga pre-existing niya. So, yun po yung And also, follow-up ko lang po yung yung kaninang tanong po, pag dumiretso po yung agent or client natin sa mga branches ng Malayan. Although wala po kasi magiging difference, Yun nga lang po, ang difference doon, hindi nyo makukuha yung referral fee nyo or yung commission niyo. Bakit po? Kasi as direct po yung agent, yung kliyente ninyo. And also, kung kayo po magde-direct din as agent naman kay Malayan, may quota po yan na hihingin po sila sa inyo. So, dito po, pinapadali po namin yung buhay ninyo na magkaroon na ng access agad, no? So, yun po yung advantages po natin. So, yun po.
Yan, thank you, Marvin. May question tayo dito sa Zoom. How do we get quotations and how fast can we get the quotation if ever magpa-quote po kami sa Malayan? I guess hindi lang ito yung sa dog, kasi yung dog meron ng box type eh. So ayan, ma'am.
Yung quotations po, you may request your quotations through Sir Marvin. There are products naman po na meron na tayong template, no, na pwedeng gamitin, i-provide. Like for example, for home, for motor, what else? Travel, yan. So for travel naman, you don't have to request for a quote. Meron po tayong table of premiums na doon. So bawat plan, pati age bracket, nandun na rin po. So may table of premium po tayo that. But for non-brochured products naman po and those that are not readily available na walang template, like for example, fire insurance for a warehouse, no? Pag ganun po ang risk, we refer that to our underwriter. So you may submit the information through Sir Marvin, and then we will elevate that to our underwriter. Our evaluation normally takes 3 to 5 working days kung mga warehouse or industrial occupancies or non-brochured products po.
Ayan, meron pa po bang question? Ayan, si Ma'am Malu.
What about the doctor's fee? Or
It's included, ma'am.
consultation? It's included.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so I'll pay
Even the
first,
medicine.
and I'll just keep the receipt.
Yes,
They'll
ma'am.
give
If the original receipt. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, even the consultation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yan, thank you. Meron pa po bang question? So I guess dito sa pet insurance na to, ang mindset natin dyan, dati nga wala nito eh. Ngayon, kung may exclusions man siya, dati kahit inclusion, wala. So ngayon, kahit papano, makakabawas ka ng gastos. So I guess ganun ang mindset. Kasi wala talagang 100% i-cover ng insurance company regardless kahit anong product. Walang ganun. Laging merong exclusion. Yeah, so oo, at least kung kagaya ng example ni Ma'am Lisa kanina, 70,000, magkano ma'am lang yung 100,000 na coverage? 2,995, tama? Oo, di medyo nakatipid ka na kung yun yung naging sakit. And ganun din naman, ang gusto mo wala kang maklaim. Di ba? You're not getting an insurance dahil gusto mong makaklaim. You're getting an insurance kasi in case pasok siya dun sa claimable, at least may makukuha ka. Na hindi rin naman ganun ka mahal, no? Sa 3,000 pesos divided by 365 days, nasa magkano lang yun? Baka mahal pa yung Lazada mo, no? Tsaka yung Shopee mo. Total yan naman, buhay, no? Okay na rin yun. Okay, so wala na pong questions? I guess kung wala ng questions...
sir, pwede pong pahabol ng question.
Ay, sige po. Makakahabol pa naman. Sige po.
Pwede po ba na, kunwari po, si client nagpa-insure sa Malayan, pero kumuha rin po siya ng insurance sa ibang company. So, posible po ba na may multiple policies yung aso o yung pet?
Ganito po. Hindi kasi pwedeng kumita sa insurance. So, for example, in cases na covered kay Malayan, o let's say hindi covered kay Malayan pero covered dun sa isang insurance policy na kinuha, pwede yon. Pero kung covered na kay Malayan, babayaran ni Malayan at magki-claim pa rin sa iba, bawal yon, no? Kasi hindi pwedeng pagkakitaan ng insurance. Iko-coordinate.
Pero sir, malalaman po ba yon? Kasi kunwari, ako yung agent. Is there a way for me as an agent na malaman na na-insure na pala niya yung pet niya sa ibang companies. Kasi di po ba sa life insurance, nagkakaroon po ng multiple policies, whether it's for life or for health, health insurance like critical illness. So, dun po nanggagaling din yung question ko. Una, paano ko malalaman kung yung client na-insure na niya sa iba? Tapos second, sa life or sa health, ganun po, nagkakaroon po ng multiple policies.
Okay, ma'am. Let me answer that question then. Mamaya siguro si Ma'am Liza pwede niya ma-supply yung additional information. Ma'am, pagka ganun po, yung question nyo, paano nyo malalaman? Hindi nyo malalaman unless it is declared to you by the client. Ngayon, pag magkiklaim na yung client, kung hindi man dineclare, doon nyo na malalaman. Kasi example, reimbursement type po itong product na pet insurance, kailangan ng resibo kasi reimbursement. Ngayon, kukunin yung resibo. Ngayon, pagka hinihingi uli or copy ng resibo, unless si Malaya nag-a-accept siya ng soft copy or Xerox copy o photocopy ng resibo, which I doubt na nag-a-accept siya. So that means hindi na siya, ganun din doon sa kabilang insurance sa company. Hindi ka rin, kumbaga original resibo rin ang hihingin. So kung halimbawa na-file kay Malaya, kinuha yung resibo, hindi ka na ngayon makaka-file doon sa isang insurance company.
So, ang nagiging control measure po, yung submission ng original na resibo. Tama po ba?
Tama po,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Correct po.
Okay, thank you po.
Ma'am, if I may add, no, if you're comparing it to life insurance, bakit sa life pwede or accepted yung multiple policies? It's because we cannot quantify the life of a person. Kaya allowed po na multiple policies ang ma-avail ng bawat isang tao.
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Yung question mo kanina, Ma'am Malu, na bakit dalawa? Okay na. Okay, sige po. Meron pa po bang questions?
May hahabol pa po.
Until 8.
8 years old, ma'am.
Is that right?
Yes,
Oo.
ma'am. Correct. Ayan. May habol pa po ng question.
Ako po, last na po, Simon.
Yes, sir.
Yung normally kasi, di ba, pagka yung mga clients, nagmamadali sila sa quotation. So, paano yung process of getting quotations from Malaya?
For quotation, some of our products are already brochured, no, boxed na siya. Merong available na premium table. Para naman po dun sa wala, yung mga retail lines like Motor and Home Protect, meron po kaming naka-ready na template that provide can you, so mapoprovide na po sa inyo agad yung proposal. However, for more complex lines, like for example, warehouse or engineering line like contractors all risk, it would take a little longer, mga 3 to 5 working days, no? Depende po sa complexity nung ni-refer na account kasi it will be referred to our underwriter pa. So we have a pool of underwriters na nag-evaluate ng mga applications. Pero kung mga retail, sir, when I say retail, ito yung motor, pet care, travel, mabilis lang po siya.
Sige po. Meron kasi nagpapakot sa akin ngayon na Manpower, janitorial services.
Pag ganyan, sir, it will, Group PA po ba ang requirement? Group accident insurance?
Performance.
Kasi kung group accident insurance po ang i-request nyo sa amin, that will be subject to underwriting approval. Normally, mga 1 to 3 days naman po yung PA.
Sir, yung po ba yung product ng Manpower Agency or anong product po specifically?
PGL, surety, and performance bond. Ang kailangan nila.
CGL.
CGL, ma'am.
PGL, surety
CGL.
bond, and performance bond.
Yung sa bond, sir, within the day nakakapag-quote ang aming surety department. What we just need is the bond amount and the applicant's name. At yung duration, kung more than 1 year siya, you have to specify to us.
Kailangan po ba ng notice of award o hindi na?
Hindi na muna, sir. Kung quotation lang, okay na yung bond amount required. Tapos kung CGL naman po, we require an application form kasi that's subject to approval ng ating underwriter.
Okay,
So,
so
mga 1 to 3 days yon.
summarize ko lang yung question ni Sir. So Sir, dun sa CGL, 1 to 3 days, mag-fill up ng application form, 1 to 3 days lalabas yung quotation, para naman dun sa bond requirement, within the day, pwede nang mabigay,
The
no?
day, just
Okay.
give us the applicant's name, tapos yung bond amount required and yung duration.
Okay, so Sir, paano mo siya gagawin? Punta ka sa www.weareprovide.com, meron doon support, and then click mo yung support, then create a ticket. Tapos yung requirement mo na yan, isulat mo po doon para na monitor natin. Okay, so again, 1 to 3 days para sa CGL, within the day para sa bonds. Okay, thank you.
Kaya lang for today lang po, if you're going to send it today, sir, heads up lang, naka-holiday po ang Manila. So our surety underwriters are based kasi sa Manila. So bukas na lang makakapag
Okay.
chat.
Okay po. Sige po. Thank you.
For bond po, we need the applicant's name, the bond amount, and yung duration.
Applicant's name, bond amount,
And
and duration. Thank you.